Assalamualaikum friends, today I will discuss how to install iOS emulator for PC. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe. I upload video on my YouTube channel daily. You can use this emulator for free. Click Start menu. Click Search bar, then tap Task Manager. Then open Task Manager. Click File option. Then select Run New Task. Then click Browse. Click this PC. Click Local Disk C. Open Windows folder. Open System32 folder. Find CMD file. Double click CMD. Check the box. Click OK. Paste the command. The command will be given in the video description box. Click Enter. Paste the command. The command will be given in the video description box. Click Enter. First, you need to install this software. Emulator link video will be given in the first comment. Once the emulator is downloaded, double click on the software. Click Next. Check mark this option. Click Next. Then click Install. Must subscribe my channel to get new videos like this. Click Finish. You can see that our emulator is completely installed. You can see that our emulator has been opened. If you like the video, please share with your friends. If you have any problem, please comment. Thanks for watching.